How's it going, Quant family? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another update. In yesterday's video, we were calling for price to come down to $88 to $89, and we can see our target being met. So thank you guys for tuning in to yesterday. I'm going to show you that little clip from yesterday's video. So let's go over to it. I said, urgent, Quant, this move could happen fast. Most will miss out. So we're basically saying, as long as we maintain below $92.40, we will still continue to these targets. Now, I had some comments saying it doesn't need to happen because it's happened in the past. That's just completely wrong. It's got nothing to do with that. It's what the signs of the Fibonacci's are saying. We were creating the reverse wave. We held it as resistance, so we still go ahead and meet these targets afterwards. And we had over 1,000 views yesterday, but only 80 likes. Come on, guys. We should be doing way better than that. Let's get these videos always to over 100 likes. Let's push to 200 likes. There's more than enough of you tuning in, and yeah, you could help me achieve those goals. So thank you guys for tuning in, and let's continue with the quant update. So over here, we see that we finally met the 1618 target down here after yesterday's FOMC meeting, or the result from the Fed. And yeah, we still maintained below this point. The reverse wave had been held, and as we didn't meet these targets in the first place, while we did pump from this location, we failed to reclaim it. So that's why we continued down to these targets. I teach you all of this in my course and mentorship. That is, of course, the best plan. And don't forget that I'm going to be teaching 3 people over the next few months. So if you want to private message me, click the links in the description down below. It will bring you over to my Twitter/x.com. So right now, what we are then now expecting, because we didn't do any analysis past this point, is it's all about this $92.40 area, this golden pocket. If price has a big pump into there, still not enough to invalidate what could be coming. So sorry if you can hear a helicopter above the house. But basically, you could come up as high as that. I'm not saying that we will, but I'm just saying that you can come as high as that, and it's still not enough to invalidate further downside. So maybe right now we might get a little pump. If we maintain below the 1 fib, $90.76, you will just continue lower. I'm saying you can come as high as that. If you fail to reclaim it, which we saw over here, you do eventually continue. Now, we've seen it already in the past. Right here, we had a bullish divergence, lower lows on the chart, higher lows over here. You can see it's uptrending, and so we were given that pump just up into a key level of resistance, which was once support to the left. So this is what we need to maintain to go on an upward trajectory. But we failed. We just ran into that area with the bullish divergence into resistance. This is where we had some bearish divergence and we took a trade. And we like to dissect it because, of course, I've already explained in a lot of other videos. I'm not going to go through it again. But yeah, and so because we failed to reclaim that, you don't invalidate these targets. So these are still up in play, and these are still in play. $86 to $87 is still in play. However, because we met the 1618 target, which is our final target out of the first 3 over here, still got a further 3, but out of these 3, if that's the final target, it's going to give us at least a short-term bounce. Whether we can push through the 1.272 or the 1 fib level, just understand we can get rejected at any of these points. You can see the 55s around the 1 fib. You can see the 20 fib, the 20 EMAs around the 1414 and the 1.272. So you could just run into 20, continue lower. Even if you push above the 20, this is still resistance. It will still send you lower. Even if we reclaim the 20 and the 55, we can see at the golden pocket over here the 200 EMA. So at that point, this is keeping you in a downtrend. When we come up to in around it, we can see to the left, this was our low. We didn't even break above it. We're still in a downtrend. We went lower. Went up into it, still below it. So we went lower than this point. So the same thing again. Even if we get up as high as $92.40, it's not good enough. So yes, we might see a short-term pump right now in the immediate short term, but I'm still expecting that to eventually fail and then us to continue lower for quant. And this will meet some targets that we were talking about on the higher time frames over here, such as this head and shoulders pattern, shoulder, head and shoulder. There were some more, but it's on another chart, and yeah, those are giving us targets to the downside essentially. That is it from me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and any of you guys, I've got 3 slots available if you want me to teach you how to do all of this on your own, so you can profit for yourself and become a self-sufficient trader. So click the links in the description below. It's going to take you to my twitter.com, and yeah, that's where you can private message me there and follow me for more content as well. Cheers.